Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Kai here from Tic-Tac-Toe. In this video today, I will be sharing 5 top reasons why you should consider getting the Samsung JetBot Plus. Alright, reason number 1, this is a no-brainer. It is about enhancing your quality of life. I happen to be part of a category of human beings who do not like to spend time cleaning. I like to be tidy, I like to be organized, but I just hate the entire idea of cleaning up. So having a robot to do all of those floor cleaning while I walk around like a walking god is really something else. Now, if you are a super clean freak who spends way too much time cleaning around your house, you know who you are. You are that person who vacuums in the middle of the night, close to midnight, making noise while people are trying to sleep. Having a robot vacuum will definitely cut some time off from your cleaning routine. So you can do other stuff, like living life a little bit. Reason number 2, the intuitive app. You can set several things on the app that comes along with the JetBot Plus. The good thing is that it is integrated within the Samsung SmartThings app. So after the initial setup on the app, you can send your robot out to scan the entire layout of your house very accurately. Yep, very Mission Impossible like. And completing that, the app will generate the entire layout of your house and it gives a generic name too. So it's really up to you to rename all these rooms. If you choose to, if you don't want to, then just leave it as it is. You can check and uncheck the rooms to indicate which rooms you want to ask the robot to clean. You can also set no-go zones to your house. Aha, a very good question. In what scenarios will this be useful? You have cables that's tethered to something where you know that a small tug of that cable will probably cause some form of disruption. Say you have elderly persons who might need oxygen tank support and you don't want the robot to accidentally pull on those cables. Or maybe you have anxious pets who do not like their own personal spaces to be invaded. Well, you don't want to start a mini robot invasion. So it's always a good idea to check around your house and see whether there's any potential accident that could happen before you set off your robot. Call it a small-scale robot proofing. Now, reason number 3, spot cleaning. The other cool thing you can do with the robot is to set it to clean a small area without the need to clean the entire house altogether. So say you are clipping nails on the floor. You keep your phone next to you, very handy of course, and after clipping your nails, you take up the phone, set the area where your clip nails are, and you get the robot to clean the spot. Yes, lazy is the new sexy. Reason number 4 has got to be on scheduled cleaning. The other useful thing is to schedule your cleaning. So for the past 2 weeks, I have set the robot to clean the entire house twice daily. My mother-in-law, who vacuums the entire house and mops the house twice daily, is now able to skip the manual vacuuming twice daily. So she has been spending less time, obviously, vacuuming. And if she does vacuum, it seems that she's now vacuuming manually for 4 days instead of the normal twice daily. Aha, if you've been counting the number of times I said twice daily, comment down below. So how do you schedule the cleaning? It's a very simple process on the app. All you need to do is just to set the days and the time that you want to start the cleaning. Easy peasy. I just want to say one thing that I dislike before I go to reason number 5. Let me address something which I think could always be better, and this is the price point. Now, the JetBot Plus and the cleaning station, it costs above 1K, 1099 SGD to be exact. So yes, it might blow a hole in your savings if you do decide to buy this. And the last reason number 5, has got to be on easy maintenance. This is hands down my favorite feature of them all. The components and the parts on the vacuum, they are really smartly designed, where users can just take things apart to clean and maintain. The only part which needs a tool to really yank out is the spinning side brushes. You'll be also glad to know that these parts are waterproof, which is super awesome. So you can just soak them in soapy water and it'll be good as new right after the cleaning. The cleaning station, where it doubles up as a parking slot for the JetBot, is smartly designed too. Not only does it charge the JetBot at the end of each cleaning session while the JetBot is charging, it will literally suck up whatever dust that the JetBot has been collecting. And my wife and I, we just wanted to find out how much dust the JetBot has collected. And holy crap, it has been really cleaning, because the amount of dust that is inside the bag, it's seriously disgusting. And it just tells me that I have not been cleaning that much. You'll also be happy to know that Samsung has included several spares that will help with your maintenance. So included in the entire package is an extra set of pre-motor filters, an extra set of side brushes, an extra set of dust bags. And you'll also be glad to know that you can purchase extra dust bags at $20 for 5 pieces. So is it going to be a good purchase? Now, at the end of it, I was seriously asking myself if I really needed this as an addition to the household. Yes and no. Generally, I am a very lazy person. Things that I don't have any passion about, like cleaning, I tend to do less of it, but the Samsung vacuum has evidently filled that gap, not making me drag my feet to clean up the house, especially cleaning the floor and the carpets. The toilet still remains my Everest for now, and I'm so looking forward to the day where a robot cleaning toilet will be available to the consumers. Oh my god, that'll be the day. So for now, this autonomous robot has been helping us a lot, the entire family. And if you think that you can take the pinch of spending $1099, it will definitely improve the quality of your life. And in the long run, get you to do more meaningful things rather than the menial things. Alright guys, that's it. If you do enjoy this video, hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button to be notified on a future video that we might post. Alright guys, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!